So we've been talking about looking at your events and what are creative ideas. So we've looked at reimagining the in-person event, talked about hybrid events. We've talked about looking at conferences and associations for ideas, using peer-to-peer fundraising, becoming really good at storytelling, get rid of the notion that we need a single large event. And the last one is number 7, be sure to make it fun. The Wall Street Journal recently reported this about the importance of fun. They said in the height of the Great Depression, with a quarter of the working age population officially unemployed, the Marx Brothers had the country falling in the aisles. Abbott and Costello were Hollywood's highest paid entertainers during World War II. This wasn't idle diversion or dangerous delusion. Rather, it was a necessary respite from ever-present anxiety, because they said we can't live in a constant state of agitation. We need a break. That's what having fun events will provide for our donors, participants, as well as for ourselves. It will welcome fun into our lives. So here's some of the things that I've seen nonprofits do. Public Theater in New York City, it's an arts organization. It was founded as the Shakespeare Workshop, and they held a gala that usually costs thousands of dollars for a table. But this last year, it was free to all, having been live streamed on their website, YouTube, and Facebook. It included celebrities like Meryl Streep, Anne Hathaway, Elvis Costello, Sting, Alicia Keys, and many other famous people. The Children's Diabetes Association had George Clooney, Jay Leno, and Jane Fonda. So we have an opportunity now that we haven't had in the past to create events that are fun for you to plan and for you to be involved in. You can invite your staff, board, donors, and volunteers to be part of the planning and the party. So here are some ideas I saw that I thought was fun. So creating laughter first aid boxes. They can have joke books, funny toys, and props, and then send them to your donors. We could all use a laugh right now. I don't know about you. Since physical fitness is so important to everyone, gather a group of people to pledge to move 50 miles in a month under their own power. Moving be if they want to bike, if they want to run, if they want to walk, whatever they want to do. They could skateboard, but have them pledge and use that as a peer-to-peer fundraising. You can get medical community sponsors, corporate sponsors to provide prizes for the participants. And the registration fees will give them an opportunity to donate to the nonprofit. Actor Sam Waterston, he was a long-time supporter of public theater, said, while the pandemic shuttered live events, it was not a fatal blow. He added that this is not the end of the story. By any manner of means, we have to hang on to our hope. Thanks for being here for this series. I hope that you got some ideas from it. And just know there's a link below that you can download the ebook, or you can watch the webinar and then watch the follow-up questions. And watch for later in 2021, because we are going to be updating this with what we've learned since then.